I'm going to show you two different ways to add a picture to your Google Slides space project. The first option is to click Insert, Image, and go over to Search the Web. Then you can search for pictures from Google over here. Saturn rings. Find a picture you like. Ooh, I like this one, it's pretty. Click on it and then click Insert. Now I have a picture. To resize the picture, you want to make sure you always use the corner resizers, because if you use the ones on the side, they're going to make your picture squished. So you want to use the corner ones to keep your picture looking the way it should be. So you can click and drag on those arrows. See how this changes to like a up and down arrow instead of a four-way arrow? You need to get it to an up and down arrow to make it bigger or smaller, and then you click and drag to move it. Another way to insert a picture is if you find a picture on a different website that you want to use. So if I'm over on here on my NASA Space Place and I find a really cool picture of Saturn's rings, like this one, this is how I'm going to insert it into my project. On a Chromebook, you're going to double tap with both fingers on the touchpad. If you're using a mouse, you can do a right click. And then you're going to click Save Image As. Then you're going to save it to your computer. This is going to look a little bit different on a Chromebook, but it's going to work the same way. So you can change the file name if you want, if you have a bunch of pictures, or you can just leave it whatever it comes up as, and then click Save. And then, really similar to last time, you're going to click on Insert, Image, and this time you're going to click on Upload from Computer. Then you should be able to find that picture in the first window that pops up. Again, it's going to look a little different on a Chromebook, but it's going to work the same way. Click on that picture, and then you're going to click Open, and there's your picture. And again, you can resize it using the corners, any of the corners, but the corners, and you can click and drag it like that. There we go. That's it. Now you have two different methods for inserting and resizing a picture for your Google Slides presentation.